Dear students, welcome. Today we discuss 12th standard chemistry, hydroxy compounds and ethers. Topic preparation of alcohol. Students, in the last class discussed the structure of the functional group of alcohol. Structure of the functional group of alcohol. In its continuation, today we discuss about preparation of alcohol. First one method, preparation of alcohol from alkyl halide. Alkyl halides on heating with a dilute sodium hydroxide gives alcohol. So primary alkyl halide undergo substitution by SN2 reaction, but secondary and tertiary alkyl halides undergo substitution by SN1 mechanism. SN1 mechanism. So reaction for this. So RX is the general formula for alkyl halide. R denote any alkyl or aryl group. X denote halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Then the alkyl halide on heating with a dilute aqueous sodium hydroxide gives alcohol. ROH. ROH is the general formula for alcohol. So or any alkyl or aryl group, then sodium halide. This is the first method for preparing alcohol. Then second one method, preparation of alcohol from alkenes. So this is one of the addition reaction. So addition of water across the double bond of the alkene of an alkene in the presence of sulfuric acid gives alcohol. Generally this addition reaction follows Marconi rule. So equation for this reaction. So alkene, so propylene. So first carbon contains one double bond. So propylene, addition of water across the double bond of propylene in the presence of sulfuric acid to give alcohol. So addition of water, H O H. So addition of water. So OH part add this and hydrogen part add this end. So to form alcohol CH3, CHOH, CH3. So to form propane to all. So carbon number 1, carbon number 2, then carbon number 3. So second carbon contain one hydroxyl functional group. So name of the product, propane to all. Then another one property method, preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. So nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent to aldehyde or ketone in the presence of ether followed by acid hydrolysis to gives alcohol. Generally formaldehyde gives primary alcohol, then other aldehyde gives secondary alcohol, but ketone gives tertiary alcohol. So equation for this reaction. So first one, reaction between Grignard reagent and formaldehyde. So C6H5MgBr. So phenyl magnesium bromide, Grignard reagent. Then formaldehyde. So nucleophilic addition of Grignard reagent, C6H5 is the nucleophile. So attack the carbonyl carbon. So oxygen more electro negative. So attract the MgBr plus. So to form an intermediate C6H5 CH2 OMGBr, an intermediate, followed by acid hydrolysis to give alcohol. So followed by acid hydrolysis, HOH, HOH, so acid hydrolysis to form alcohol. So C6 CH2 OH, phenyl methanol is a alcohol, primary alcohol. Then MgOH Br, so product phenyl methanol. Then another one example, so ethyl magnesium bromide, so Grignard reagent, ethyl magnesium bromide. So ethyl group is the nucleophile. So metal, all metals are electropositive, so metal electropositive plus. So ethyl magnesium bromide react with the acetaldehyde CH3CHO or ethanol. In the presence of ether, the nucleophile attack the carbonyl carbon. Then the oxygen more electronegative to form an intermediate compound CH3CH2 CH3 OMGBr, followed by acid hydrolysis. So hydrogen add oxygen HOH, so hydrogen add the hydrocarbon part. Then to form alcohol CH3CH2 CH3OH plus MgBr OH. So the name of the product is, so 4 carbon system numbering 1. Second carbon contains one functional group, hydroxyl functional group, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon. So for butane, saturated compound butane to all is the name of the product. Then another one example, butyl magnesium bromide Grignard reagent. The butyl group is nucleophile. Butyl magnesium bromide react with a is ketone, dimethyl ketone or acetone. So the nucleophile attack the carbonyl carbon. To form an intermediate compound. Then acid hydrolysis followed by acid hydrolysis to form an product, form a product. So numbering starts from carbon bearing the hydroxyl functional group as the lowest possible number. First carbon, second carbon. So 3 groups, 3 CH2 group. So 5 plus 1 6, totally 6 group present. Second carbon contain one hydroxyl functional group, one substituent, methyl group substituent. So name 2-methyl hexane to all is the name of the product plus MgOH Br. Then another one example, so formate ester HC double bond O CH2 CH3 formate ester is used to prepare secondary alcohol with a identical alkyl group. So two same alkyl group attached to the carbon contain hydroxyl functional group. So equation for this reaction, so methyl magnesium bromide in this Grignard reagent, methyl group is the nucleophile, react with the formate ester. So ethyl methanoate is the formate ester in the presence of ether followed by acid hydrolysis to form alcohol with a identical methyl group. This is the product plus MgBrOCH2CH3. So the name of the product, 3 carbon system, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. So 3 carbon prof saturated compound, profane to all, second carbon, 1 antisulfunctional group. Thank you students, see you next class.